In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host WordPress for free. If you've ever wanted to start a blog or a website but were concerned about the costs, you're in the right place. Hosting WordPress for free is not only possible, but also relatively straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process. First, you'll want to log into WordPress. If you already have a WordPress account, simply navigate to the login page and enter your credentials. If you're new to WordPress, you'll need to create an account. This is a quick process requiring a username, email address, and a secure password. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. Now, let's move to the second step. On your dashboard, you'll want to look for an option that says Search for a domain. The domain is essentially the web address where people will find your site, so choose something that reflects your site's purpose or brand. This search option is usually located in the sidebar menu or right at the top of your dashboard, making it easy to find. Clicking on this option will take you to a page where you can check what domain names are available. In the third step, you're going to search for domains that are free. WordPress offers some free subdomains to help you get started without any cost. These are typically in the format of your site, wordpress.com. You'll see a search bar on this domain page. Type in your chosen site name to see what's available. It's important to note that shorter, more memorable domain names tend to be taken, but with a little creativity, you'll find something that works. Always try to make your domain name as easy to spell and remember as possible, which will help others find your site more readily. Once you find a suitable and available free domain, you can select it and proceed to the next steps for setting up your site. Congratulations! You've now secured a spot on the web, and hosting your WordPress site won't cost you a dime. As you proceed with your WordPress journey, you'll find several customizable themes and plugins, many free, that allow you to tweak the appearance and functionality of your site to meet your needs. Hosting WordPress for free is a great way to start your online presence without worrying about hosting costs. However, remember that if your website grows and you need additional features like a custom domain or advanced plugins, upgrading to a paid plan might eventually be something to consider. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this helps you get started with your free WordPress hosting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Good luck with your website, and I'll see you in the next video.